What's that?
What?
What is that? How much did you pay for that?
What?
How much did you pay for that?
Oh, that?
Yes.
19 pence.
You're kidding me. There's us struggling for space. Where did that come? Was it in that flipping black bag?
Huh?
No, seriously, was it in that bag that we got in trouble with at the airport?
No.
Where was it then?
My black bag.
The one, it was in that one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What's that thing there in the middle?
Yeah?
Yes.
Cup holder.
It's absolutely spectacular.
I told you. What should we call it?
I think we need to let the girls decide.
I've got an idea.
What?
We should call it Brexit.
No.
It's an abhorrent waste of money. If it sticks around, it's going to have a massive impact on our children's lives.
Stop it. Alright. Do you want to sit at the table in here?
Yeah. It's a giant unicorn!
You better go have Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy!
Norway, just there.
Hello and welcome to the first day out in our 2019 Crete adventure. We've come all the way to a historical site called Gornia, which is pretty much as far east as you can go, or heading towards the east part of Crete. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look around this area here, have a look at the archaeological sites, and then head back up that direction to Agios Nikolaos, which is like a famous port area. Alright, off we go.
So my book says that Gornia is the best preserved Minoan town in Crete. It is one of the oldest sites inhabited from around 3,000 years BC, and it was destroyed by an earthquake and a fire around 1,450 years BC.
Oh, very good. Can you hold that pose? Just hold your hat like that again.
I had it like this, didn't I? Do I look like a pirate?
No, you look like Napoleon.
Arr.
If that distracted me from all that information, that quite possibly distracted you. So just rewind and watch that bit back again, get the history. Come on, pay attention. Mummy, where have we come to?
We are in Agios Nikolaos, a fishing town.
And we've just spotted this thing over here. Not sure if you can read that, but it says it's a Cretan submarine. That is not a submarine. Anyway, so this is like the main harbour area, and then there's also a bit that goes under the bridge over there into like a little harbour area, and we're going to go there and have some fish and chips.
Produce of the sea.
Some produce of the sea.
Yeah. Seafood.
Right then. Oh, it's off. Farewell, Cretan submarine. Oh, is Daddy being silly?
Yes!
So this is still on the east side of Crete.